Mr. Alardi, what are your Powderpuff predictions for the day?
I think the seniors are going to take it. I'm going to predict at least 2 Avery Wolf touchdowns. And, seniors win 35-20.
Cheerleaders, who do you think is going to win halftime?
Honestly, I don't know who's going to win halftime. I just want to see Henry Fitzgerald do as many cartwheels as possible. So I think if he can pull it off, maybe the juniors will win, but I think the seniors might take the shoe.
For the halftime show, seniors versus juniors for cheerleaders, who do you think is going to win?
Absolutely seniors. No doubt about it.
Okay, I'm here with Evie Vowinkle. What are your Powderpuff predictions today?
Seniors will win.
You don't have any faith in the juniors?
No.
For the halftime show, do you think the junior cheerleaders or senior cheerleaders are going to win?
Probably the seniors.
No faith in the juniors again?
Well, once you see the seniors, you know.
All right, Evie, thank you so much for your time. We wish you good luck today.